Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own diamond keychain. So we're going to start with what you'll need. You'll need 3 strings that are about 60 centimeters long, 1 string that is 30 centimeters long, a comb, a clasp, tape, and scissors. Now we can begin by taping our clasp down to a flat surface. I usually put my tape in the shape of an X just to keep it from moving around while we're tying our knots. Next, we are going to attach our 3 longer pieces of cord to our clasp using a lark's head knot. Start by folding your cord in half so that it's even at the bottom. You're then going to feed it through the clasp and pull the bottom strands through that loop. Repeat this for all 3 strands. This leaves you with 6 strands to work with. We're going to start on the left so you can push the right 3 cords out of the way. Starting with the cord in the middle, you're going to make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left. You'll see a hole and you can flip the left cord through that hole for your first knot. Holding the middle cord on a diagonal, you're going to pull up and tighten the knot. You're then going to repeat this step again by taking the cord that is now in the middle and making a backwards 4 over the cord to the left. You're then going to take the strand from the middle and wrap it through that hole that you've made. Pull tight again. You're going to repeat exactly this with the next strand to the left. Taking the middle cord, make a backwards 4, and flip the left cord through that hole. Again, make a backwards 4 with the cord that is now to the right, and wrap it through that hole. Make sure you keep that cord on a diagonal when you're pulling, as this is what makes the diamond shape. We are now going to move on to the right side, so you can push the left 3 cords out of the way. Starting with the middle cord, you're going to make a regular 4, and then flip the cord to the right through that hole that you've made. Pull tight, again keeping the strand on a diagonal. Next, you're going to take the cord that is now in the middle and make a regular 4 over the cord to the right, and flip it through the hole you've made. You're going to repeat this step again with the cord to the right. Make a normal 4, flip the cord to the right through that hole, and pull up on a diagonal. With the cord that is now to the left, you are going to make a 4 and wrap it through the hole that you've made. We're going to get started on the bottom half of our diamond. Push the cords to the right out of the way again, and we're going to start with the left 3 cords. Taking the outer left cord, you're going to make a 4 over the cord to its right. You're then going to flip that right cord through the hole that you've made. Holding the left cord on a diagonal inwards, you're going to pull tight on the knot. You are then going to take the cord that is now to the left and make a 4 over the cord to the right and wrap it through the hole you've made. You're going to repeat this step with the cord next to the right. Again, make a 4, flip the right cord through the hole you've made, and hold the cord on a diagonal while you tighten the knot. Make a 4 with the cord that is now on the left, and then wrap it around the right cord and through that loop. Now moving on to the right side, you can push those left cords out of the way. Taking the outer right cord, you're going to make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left and then flip that left cord through the hole. Holding the right cord on a diagonal inwards, you're going to tighten the knot. You're then going to take the cord that is now to the right and make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left and wrap it around that cord and through the loop. You're going to repeat this with the next cord to the left as well. With the cord to the right, make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left and flip the left cord through the hole. Now with the cord that's to the right, make another backwards 4 and wrap it around the cord that's to the left and through the hole. Now we're going to complete our first diamond. Taking the cord to the right, again make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left and flip the left cord through the hole. Pull up to tighten. Make a backwards 4 again with the cord that is now on the right, wrap it around the cord to the left and through the hole, and pull up to tighten. We are now going to repeat all of this again to make our second diamond. So starting with the left side again, take the center cord and make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left. Flip that left cord through the hole and pull up to tighten. Make a backwards 4 again with the cord that is now on the right, wrap it around the cord to the left and through that hole. Make sure you hold that cord on a diagonal as you tighten to get the diamond shape. Taking the cord that's next to the left, make a backwards 4, flip the left cord through the hole, and pull up to tighten. The cord that is now on the right, make another backwards 4, wrap it around the cord to the left and through the hole. We are going to repeat this on the right side. Taking the cord that is in the middle, make a regular 4 over the cord to the right, and flip the right cord through that hole. With the cord that is now to the left, you're going to make another 4 over the cord to the right, wrap it around that right cord and through the loop. You're going to repeat this again with the cord that's next to the right. Now for the bottom half. Move those right 3 cords out of the way again and start on the left. Taking the outer left cord, you're going to make a 4 over the cord to its right and flip the right cord through that hole. Holding the cord on a diagonal inwards, you're going to tighten the knot. With the cord that is now to the left, make a 4 over the cord to the right and wrap it through the hole that you've made. Repeat this same thing with the next cord to the right. Now moving on to the right side. Take the outer right cord and make a backwards 4 over the one to the left and flip the left one through the hole. Holding the cord on a diagonal inwards, pull the knot tight. With the cord that is now to the right, make a backwards 4 over the left and wrap it through the hole. Repeat this again with the cord that is next to the left. The right one makes a backwards 4 over the left and the left flips through the hole. With the one that is now to the right, you make another backwards 4 and wrap it around the left cord and through that hole. You're now going to finish off our second diamond. Taking the cord to the right, make a backwards 4 over the cord to the left and flip the left one through the hole. Pull up on a diagonal and then repeat this again. Backwards 4 over the cord to the left, wrap the right cord through the left and through the hole. Pull up to tighten. This completes our second diamond and you can play around with them to get the shape that you want. We are now going to finish our keychain off using a gathering knot. Using that final short cord that we had, you're going to make a U over top of all your cords, with one side shorter and one side longer. Use your thumb to hold it in place and make sure the one with the shorter side has a piece sticking out from the top and the bottom of the U sticks out from the bottom. Begin wrapping the longer strand around your cord downwards. Wrap it about 4 or 5 times. Pull tight after each wrap to ensure it's secure. When you are done wrapping, you're going to take the excess and feed it through that bottom of the U that has been sticking out. Again, pull tight, and then on the cord that you left sticking out from the top, pull up until the bottom of the U is hidden in your wrapping. Pull tightly on both strands to secure it. We can now go ahead and trim the excess. Trim the top cord as close to the wrapping as possible. You can then trim the bottom cords to any length you prefer. You then have the choice to leave your strands at the bottom like so, or you can brush them out so it's more fringy. You can use just a basic hair comb to brush these out. This is your keychain all complete. Thank you so much for creating with me, and I hope you love how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and stay tuned for more.